How to give access to private YouTube videos. Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you have to do is open YouTube application and select the video that you want to post it to private. Then after here in the visibility section, you will have the option to keep your video public, and or you can simply select the unlisted. In this, the only people who have the link of your video will be able to view your video. Or to keep your video private, you just have to select private, and only people you choose to view can view your video. In this way you can set the visibility to private. And if you'll add to playlist publicly, then public will be able to see your videos. So to keep it private, you just have to enable or choose private option and then post your video, so that the person you choose to will only be able to see your videos. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now, and I'll catch you in the next one.